Hello and welcome to AI Advice. Before we get started, make sure you hit the subscribe and notification button. Happy New Year, and if you are interested about making money on trading in this year, you are in the right place, and here is 7 advice from AI to start trading on 2023.
Define your investment goals and risk tolerance. Before you start trading, it's important to have a clear understanding of your investment goals and risk tolerance. Are you looking to grow your wealth over the long term, or are you more interested in short-term profits? How much risk are you willing to take on in order to achieve your goals? Answering these questions will help you determine the appropriate trading strategy for you. Research and choose a brokerage firm. Once you know what you're looking for, you'll need to find a brokerage firm that can help you execute your trades. Look for firms that offer the types of assets you're interested in trading, as well as those that have a reputation for reliability and security. It's also a good idea to compare the fees and commissions charged by different firms, as these can have a significant impact on your profitability. Learn about different trading strategies. There are many different trading strategies that you can use, and the right one for you will depend on your goals, risk tolerance, and the type of assets you're interested in trading. Some common strategies include buy and hold. This involves buying assets with the intention of holding them for an extended period of time, in the hope that they will increase in value over time. Day trading. This involves buying and selling assets within the same day, in the hopes of making a profit from short-term price movements. Swing trading. This involves holding assets for a few days or weeks, in the hope of profiting from medium-term price movements. Scalping. This involves making a large number of small trades in a short period of time, in the hope of making a profit from small price movements. Develop a trading plan. Before you start placing trades, it's important to have a plan in place. This should include your overall strategy, as well as details on how you will enter and exit trades. Your plan should also include risk management techniques, such as stop-loss orders, to help protect your capital. It's a good idea to backtest your plan using historical data to see how it would have performed in the past, and to make any necessary adjustments before implementing it in live trading. Open a trading account. Once you've chosen a brokerage firm and developed a trading plan, you'll need to open a trading account. This typically involves filling out an application and providing some personal and financial information. Make sure to carefully review the terms and conditions of the account before you agree to anything. Fund your account. Before you can start trading, you'll need to deposit funds into your trading account. This can typically be done through a bank transfer or by using a credit or debit card. Start trading. Now that you've done your research, chosen a brokerage firm, learned about different trading strategies, developed a plan, and funded your account, you're ready to start placing trades. Remember to stick to your plan and manage your risk carefully. It's also important to continue learning and staying up to date on market developments, as this can help you make informed decisions and improve your trading performance over time. If you find this advice valuable, please like and subscribe to get more advice from AI.